The new Pixel 9 Pro XL is finally here. Delivers high-end specifications with new set of AI features. And this smartphone competes directly with Samsung's newly launched Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you're confused between these two flagship phones, here's a detailed comparison between the two models. First off, let's talk design. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is rocking a sleek, minimalist look with its matte finish and iconic camera bar. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra brings that premium feel and a striking dynamic AMOLED display. In terms of durability, both devices are IP68 rated, meaning they're water and dust resistant. But the S24 Ultra's aluminum frame gives it a slight edge in terms of durability. Next up is the display. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a 6.8-inch Super AQUA screen with a dynamic refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. It's also brighter. It's a high-end QHD plus OLED screen that can hit 3000 nits of peak brightness. The Galaxy S24 Ultra also comes with a 6.8-inch screen, also a QHD plus one with smooth 1 to 120 Hz refresh rate with 2500 nits of peak brightness. Both phones pack serious power. The Pixel 9 Pro XL is powered by Google's custom Tensor G4 chip, optimized for AI-driven features and delivering smooth performance across the board. On the other hand, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is equipped with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with 12 GB of RAM, but Pixel 9 Pro XL offers 16 GB of RAM. Both Samsung and Google runs Android 14 out of the box, and 7-year software update policy in place. When it comes to cameras, both are in a league of their own. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features a triple camera setup with a 50-megapixel main sensor, 48-megapixel ultrawide, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens. Google's computational photography is still top-notch, especially in low-light conditions. But Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra features quad-camera system, a 200-megapixel main sensor, 12-megapixel ultrawide, 10-megapixel periscope telephoto, and a 12-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. The S24 Ultra's zoom capabilities are unparalleled, making it the go-to choose for photography enthusiasts. The Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with a 5060 mAh battery, with 37-watt wired and 23-watt wireless charging. Samsung's S24 Ultra, with its 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt wired and 15-watt. Which one should you choose? If you want the best camera setup, immersive display, and top performance is the way to go. The Galaxy S24 Ultra.